Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take off this drawer door from the IKEA furniture. This is IKEA Maximera drawer. So we're going to come over here. We'll need the Phillips screwdriver. You're going to find the center of this this little area here. Well, first we have these ones we're going to take off. One second, it goes this way. The other side is the same thing. I'm gonna take these off. So we're gonna find the center. We're gonna stick the Phillips screwdriver right here in this center area, and you can see there's a little area for the screwdriver. So we're gonna stick it in right in the center, and then what you want to do is you want to turn until it clicks, and you see this one comes out. We do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna find this center here, stick in the screwdriver like this, and turn. And now we take off this door. Again, to put it back in, simply goes in here until it clicks, just like that. And then we have this one here that we attach these. So it's that easy. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.